How to turn on sound on Reddit app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply turn on sound on your Reddit app. So, first of all, what you're going to do is open up the Play Store and search for the Reddit application. Make sure that your installed Reddit application is updated because you won't be able to get those newer features in the previous versions of the Reddit application, and this implies to your other application devices or operating system devices, for example, Apple and other Symbian devices as well. So now, without wasting any more of the time, let's dive into this. First of all, open up the Reddit application. Once you have opened up the application, so you're gonna go and select for any video. For example, this is a video. This video is being played, but you can hear no sound. So to turn on the sound for this video on the Reddit app, you just have to tap on it, and once you tap on it, so you see at the right corner or the right side, there's this speaker icon that has cross over it. So once eventually you tap on it, now you see and you have heard that the sound has been turned on. So this is how you turn on sound on Reddit application. I hope this video was informative and you got what it was required, and I hope this video cleared your concept. So if you need any more help or have any question, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. Secondly, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the YouTube channel, and just hit that bell icon so you can receive further notifications on awesome videos like this. So see you next time. Peace.